Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd do a video on how to learn how to trade. Guys, this is an exclusive offer. You can actually start learning for $1. $1. Okay guys, I'm going to go through the video, okay? Watch the video to the end and I'll explain to you what the business is about, how to create your own income online, how to be your own boss, and how to learn how to trade. Okay, lots of businesses out there are not doing this. Okay, if they do teach you to trade, it's going to cost you $500 to $1,000, yeah, or probably more. But please watch this video to the end. For $1 to start, and you can build a good income online, learning how to trade. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, please watch the video to the end. Hello guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. So I'll do a video on how to learn how to trade. There is a little exclusive offer at the moment. I've been advised to tell everybody, if you're interested, you can start as a minimum as $1. Okay, monthly subscription, it's up to you. It works. You can actually learn how to become a trader within 5 days, would you believe? And it's very, very true. But anyway, let me quickly go through it. Please go through this video, read all the information, okay? The owner is Andrew Barrington. We call him Drew, short for Andrew. But anyway, let's quickly show you guys. So, this is the $1 a month. You get community access, chart setup guides, recommended funding. In other words, prop firms. If you're interested, it's up to you, or you can use your own capital. And I love you forever. It's a little thing he's doing at the moment within the trading community. This is the premium offer. It's $120 a year. It's optional, you don't have to. You can actually skip this and you can just become a $47 member a month, up to you. The choice is yours. But with this premium you have all the benefits, 16 modules of trading and training, one-to-one coaching with Andrew, lesson module updates, risk management course, and a bonus opportunity if you're interested. And for $47, this is optional. You don't have to. You can either have this one or that one or both. It's up to you. You know, the choice is yours. But with the $47 a month, you get standard benefits, all premium benefits, live trading sessions every day. Okay, within the New York open time, and you get giveaway and rewards. And also, you can build a team with this business. It's up to you. You don't have to. The options there. Okay, let me quickly show you the back office. Here we go in the back office. There's a community here. We're just building this community slowly but surely, but we're getting there. Okay, these are the classrooms. Okay, you all have that in the $120 package, but this is another one which is in the actual premium, which is $47 a month. There's quite a few modules there. Okay, you just go for it day by day or whenever you have time. There's a calendar here telling you when the next live tutorial webinar. It's Drew trading. You can see him trade within the New York open time. And the members here, you can send them messages or whatever. It's a community basically. Okay, the map. Let me show the map. Well, the map is people all around the world basically. All over the world. We're only a small community at the moment, but it will be spreading. But there's all individuals all around the world at the moment. There's 60 members at the moment, but it's building slowly but surely. Leaderboard here. We got people who are posting and just discussing trading basically. And this is about the business. Please read this. It's all the information. It's very similar to the front page actually, to be honest with you. It just gives you all the information, what's going on, beginners advantage, live trading sessions, daily analysis, exclusive videos, and so on, so on, and so on. It's a great package because I've been in the industry for over 10 years, and I've had mentorship with other trading gurus, and it's cost me thousands. You know, I actually started with a guru. I won't name his name. It cost me over $2,000 about 2020. So you're getting a good, a community here, and you're getting a professional trader teaching you how to trade. Very good. It's well worth $1 to start, and then you can either upgrade depending what you really want. Okay. In fact, there's 30 members actually. 30 members. There's 60 people in the business, but there's 30 active members. I'm one of them. But guys, this is well worth $1 to start, and if you're confident enough, just pay the extra and go for it, mate. Go for it at the end of the day. If you want to give up your 9-to-5 job and have a good sustainable income without getting scammed, it's time to man up or woman up and get a proper skill and become your own boss. And the sky's the limit, really. The sky's the limit. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it.